Hey gut feelers, today we talk about liver and kidney cleanses, and I'm going to introduce you to a simple 100% natural detox water that can do almost everything for your body. My name is Peggy from PeggySherman.com. I warmly welcome you to this channel Gut Feelings, here to support you to become your own health expert, so you have all the energy you need to live a thriving and fulfilling life and share your unique gifts with the world. If you aren't part of the community yet, make sure you hit the subscribe button below so we can stay in touch throughout these videos. So now let's jump right into it. A simple detox water that helps you cleanse your liver and your kidneys. I'm so happy you decided to take care of your liver and help your kidneys cleanse as well, because these two organs are our largest detoxing and cleansing organs of the body. And as we live in this world right now, we are loaded with toxins, loaded with medications, pathogens. If you live in a city, you also get the pollution through air. Often on top we have a nutrient deficiency, and this all puts a lot more stress than usual on our liver and on our kidneys. And if you think about liver and kidneys, they are the main organs for detoxing. As I said, if your body's not detoxing well, we have all kinds of chronic issues. We have low energy, maybe you even have migraines because of the pH balance, and dehydration symptoms. Weight issues are very connected to an overburdened liver, maybe issues with your digestion, even heart issues with your blood pressure that can all be related to kidneys as well. So going for a liver and kidney cleanse is an awesome way to boost your energy and improve your overall health, reduce pain, and also improve your chronic illnesses if you suffer from any. So let's talk about this awesome detox drink that can do almost everything for your body. It's actually made out of one single fruit. I'm going to talk about that in a second. And what it does is it's a natural isotonic beverage which has exactly the same pH balance as our blood and as our plasma. Actually, in the Pacific War in the last century, used this kind of fruit water for doing blood transfusions, and soldiers, because it's the same pH level as our blood plasma. So if you imagine this, if there's a substance out there which is so similar to our human body, that's a great indicator that there's something out there that matches exactly our human body and can nourish us and help us heal. Now, this fruit water has one of the highest sources of electrolytes that's naturally occurring on the planet. It contains minerals like zinc, iron, potassium, manganese, and magnesium. And as if that is not awesome enough, it also contains almost all B vitamins. So you have a perfect mix of minerals and vitamins. So although it's water, it's dense in nutrients and in minerals. Now, everything that helps your blood, that cleanses your blood, and that also rehydrates your blood, that balances pH levels. If you think blood, you also can think liver, and you can think heart and kidneys. They all are interrelated, and they're all affected by your pH levels, how much hydration. Now, if you think blood, if you hear something is good for your blood, it has a direct effect on your kidneys, on your liver, and on your heart. What it does for your kidneys in particular is that it helps detoxify your kidneys, and also if you have any kidney stones, first it prevents them, and second it helps to expel them and to dissolve them. Because this natural fruit water also contains bioactive enzymes, it helps to heal your digestion, boosts your metabolism, and most of all, it gives your liver, who needs to produce normally a lot of digestive enzymes and is very much under stress, and if it's already overburdened, it doesn't have the time to heal. So through helping your digestion in that way, and also deeply rehydrating your tissue, you can give your liver a break, and it can naturally start its self-healing process. Apart from all the other goodies with nutrients and minerals that you flush through the liver that also help heal. Now, knowing some of the incredible benefits of this fruit water, let's get into what it is and how you can best use it to get the best results for your liver and kidney cleanse. So here it is. Looks kind of boring, doesn't it? And it also looks a bit like the plasma of the blood. If you ever had a blood transfusion or you donated blood plasma, this is exactly how it looks. And they use that directly from the fruit into the soldier, and it helped to make them survive. So now what is it? It's coconut water. I'm just gonna have a sip now because I'm looking at that for half an hour. If you know what it does for your body, it tastes even better. By the way, I met people who don't like the taste. If that's the case for you, you can always put in 2 ingredients, that is honey, like half a teaspoon of honey, and then just squeeze in some lemon, so you have like a really refreshing drink as well. Now, if you want to do a detox and liver cleanse, I recommend you to use that coconut water for 2 weeks and drink half a liter of 16 to 17 ounces per day. What I do if I do a detox, I actually buy them in a bulk. I buy the coconut water over the internet because I don't have any palm trees growing here, neither in Tenerife nor in Germany. And then really already buy my 2 weeks supply. So it's 3.5 liters per week, or you just buy 7 packages all at once. The best thing would be to get it organic, so you have the highest quality. I link you a suggestion for a product that I use and recommend down below. You can check that out if you like, or you just buy from your local store if you can get it cheaper and more convenient to you there. Now, when's the best time to drink the coconut water? It's always on an empty stomach. Yeah, as you hear me saying, talking about celery juice and cucumber juice and lemon juice, you know the best thing is always on an empty stomach. And in the case of coconut water, you can drink it first thing in the morning. That's okay, that's also awesome. But the thing that I recommend is to drink it actually just before you go to bed, because it helps your kidney and your liver, who have the main job during the night. They detoxify your body and cleanse your blood, especially through the night. It's their main working time, so to say, and you make sure you get them well hydrated, you give them the best support so that they can work even better for you and they can help you heal faster, whatever it is. If it's a chronic issue you're struggling with, if it's your digestion, you have problems, migraines, asthma, allergies, there's no condition that can't benefit from drinking coconut water for you. Also for infants, it's safe during pregnancy. There are no contraindications. It's low in calories, awesome for weight loss as well. You see me going, I could talk about that an hour longer. But if you want to do a liver and kidney cleanse, drink it in the evening, drink half a liter, just sip it before you go to bed, relaxed. And that also makes sure that your cells are deeply hydrated, because it's different if you have like an isotonic drink like this, which is perfectly balanced for your pH level, which has exactly the same structure as your blood plasma. It's going to be so much more effective than just drinking plain tap water or even bottled water. So guys, that's the detox secret. Drink coconut water half a liter per day before you go to bed. If you want to give this a try, give me a thumbs up. If you like this video, give me a feedback as well. And I've got a special extra for you if you want to improve your gut and also help your liver to detoxify. I've developed the ultimate guide to improve your digestion within 1 week. And you can download that as a video tutorial on my website. I'm going to put you the link down below. You go to peggyschirmer.com and find it there for free. God feeders, thank you for watching. I wish you a beautiful day. Happy healing. Bye bye.